Why does it seem like your mower fails right when you need it most? And then when getting repaired, you deal with long repair times and lack of communication. There's nothing worse for your business than your machines breaking down. That means loss of productivity and unhappy customers. That means losing money. So Kenton Equipment decided to do something about it. Introducing the Stay Powered Pledge, Kenton Equipment's commercial mower service program. When a qualified customer purchases a commercial grade mower from any of the brands we carry, that mower is automatically enrolled into the program. Under the Stay Powered Pledge, during the manufacturer warranty period, if the mower goes down and can't be repaired in 24 hours, the customer is entitled to a loaner unit free of charge until the repair is completed. We've invested in a huge selection of loaner units to cover your needs while your unit is being repaired. So we've leveraged our fantastic shop and substantial parts support to keep your mowers working and profitable. And that's not all. All Stay Powered Pledge program members are qualified for a 10% discount on parts, service, and accessories, as well as a special expedited shop rate for services to keep you mowing. So visit KentonEquipment.com or one of our 2 locations in Northern Kentucky for more. Stay powered with Kenton Equipment.